is wicked.
Wow.
It's nuts.
Circling around you, the hunter and the hunted, tangled in the untrue.
What's going on, guys? So in this video, we have a very special episode. Back in September, we did a reveal on our special project sled for this winter. And that project sled was a 146 Ski-Doo Freeride Turbo, which is by itself an absolute unit of a sled. We decided to go a little crazier this year. We asked you guys what we should put on this sled to make it the ultimate party sled. We're gonna go into the shop here and Riley's gonna show you guys what we whipped up here.
All right, what's up, guys? We are in here in the shop today, taking a look at our 146 Turbo Party Sled here. We wanted to kind of highlight some of the things that we did to it. We did some of our own personal tastes that we always love to add onto our sleds. And we also listened to you guys and installed a Ibexx Stage 2 kit on this. We went with the titanium package. So that included the full Stage 2 clutching, the titanium exhaust, and a charge tube as well. Some of the other stuff that we went with was, we love the Munster products here, so we went with the finger throttle and then the kill switch as well. We also, of course, threw the Deviant ink wrap on this thing to make it really pop on the snow. And then we also have the color matched powder coated BSB fat bumpers just to keep this thing protected for all the stuff that we put it through. Threw on some Rocks tunnel grips on this thing just because this thing is pretty rowdy, and those help a lot when you're trying to do aired out re-entries or anything, just to really stick on the sled. We also did the Ice Age Elevate spindles on this thing. As far as I can tell, with the time I've put on, they are really supple, really help this thing kind of stay out of the snow. They also look sweet. So we also did the CFR 3.5-inch bar riser on this. We definitely like more in technical riding. We like to have our bars lower down, just so you have more leverage on the sled in the steep and deep. This video really is showcasing this Stage 2 kit from Ibexx, including the exhaust, the charge tube, and the tune all in one, as well as the clutching. It really turned the sled into a different animal. I mean, 20 plus horsepower is what this thing boasts now, and for 146, that is scary fast. So out of the factory, this thing, they say up to 8,000 feet. I think these dyno are right at 180 horsepower. With that added 20 horse, you're sitting at right around 200 horse. It's a major noticeable difference that you can see between even just a stock turbo sled. Now that we have this thing tuned and all the clutching and everything is ready to go, let's go see what this will do on the snow.
Riley here is gonna be doing the riding. I'm gonna be doing the filming. He's gonna tear it up. It's gonna be his first full day on a free ride, right?
Yep.
First full day on a free ride is gonna be converted. It's gonna go from expert.
I'm just gonna be trying to keep up with this 146.
I could try to keep up. I think we're all gonna be trying to keep up with you, especially on the trail here.
The trail? See you guys.
Yeah, we're all this 3-inch with no snow flaps. We're gonna overheat. This little 146, 2.5-inch. Stage 2, she's gonna fly down the trail. Are you ready, kids?
Oh yeah, dude. Let's go shred.
It's aye, Captain.
Kids are ready.
This kid. Aye, Captain.
Aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
Aye.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Time to go.
This thing is wicked. It pulls so hard, all the way from the bottom. It just keeps going. It's freaking sick.
Very nice. Yeet.
Thanks, fun. She's a lot to handle.
I'm already nervous. I'm scared. I'm shivering.
Too much power for you, dude.
She bites, man.
First time jumping on the stallion. Time to break her in. I feel
Come
like
on
a I feel like a cowboy riding a wild stallion here.
Cowboy, baby.
Come on now.
Should have been a cowboy. Ew.
Yeah.
Ew. Wow. The only way your arms can cramp up more is by putting 20 more horsepower.
Add 20 more horse.
Holy crap. That was the first sensation I've ever had where I felt like I was going to flip it over backwards.
Yeah.
Right there. That's because I'm not used to it.
Yeah.
How it reacts.
Well, I'm not used to 146. It's the shortest sled I've ever ridden, so.
Yeah. Then you throw 20 more horsepower.
Yeah,
True. You didn't even get to ride this thing before it was too.
No.
You probably should have.
Yeah.
Jet's gonna give it a whirl now.
It's nuts.
Slowest. World's slowest re-entry. So we got our first big test here for the 146 Freeride. I honestly don't know if it'll make it because this is very steep, very deceptive, and it's actually deceptively pillowy too. There's a lot of bouncy stuff. We'll see though. I only don't think it'll make it because of the track length. It's got plenty of power. Uh-oh.
Cramping up.
That was badass. That was so cool. Alright, so we're getting towards the end of the day here. We got some local boys, Logan and Zach here. Logan and Zach, they were so kind enough to show us around, and you know, not all vlogs go to plan. We did our best to get content, but that's snowmobiling for you. So it turned into an adventure of towing a dead sled out, and we finally got to a point where I think we're just gonna have to leave it, and Zach will come back with a couple buddies. But yeah, I didn't get any footage of these boys, but I really thank them for showing us around, and I think we're gonna head out. We got some.
We'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you next time.